guys, what's up? Welcome back to Crafting Unicorns. My name's Olivia, and today we are going to be looking inside of these sand dollars. And I'm super excited to see how much doves are inside of these. I'm pretty sure it's 7, but we're going to find out today. So let's get started. So I have a decent amount of sand dollars, all different shapes. Well, they're all technically circles, but all different sizes. As you can see, here's a really small sand dollar compared to a really big sand dollar. Yeah, way different sizes. But since I have so many sand dollars, I was thinking, why don't I crack one open? And if you didn't know, there are 7 doves and each sand dollar. Let's see which one. We're gonna do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Pick a tiger by the toe. My mother picks the very best one, and you are it. Okay. This one's a pretty good size sand dollar. Let's crack it open. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is so cool. Is it 7 or is there only 5? They actually kind of look like butterflies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below to see more awesome videos like this. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye!